In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Salesforce with Slack. This integration lets your team see key Salesforce information right inside Slack, so you don't have to keep switching tabs or hunting through different tools. I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to follow, and I'll explain what's happening along the way so everything makes sense. First, open Slack and go to the channel where you want to use Salesforce. This might be a general team channel or a specific project channel, depending on how your workspace is set up. Make sure you actually select the channel so you're viewing its conversation. Inside that channel, look for the option to add apps. Depending on your Slack layout, this is usually on the right side or in the channel details area. Click on the Add Apps option. This is how we open Slack's app directory from within your workspace. Once the app directory opens, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and start typing Salesforce. As you type, Slack will filter the available apps. You might see a few Salesforce-related options, but you're looking for the main Salesforce app provided by Salesforce. When you see it appear in the list of results, click on Salesforce to open its details page. On the Salesforce app page, you'll see a button to add the app to Slack. Click on Add to Slack. At this point, Slack may prompt you to review what permissions the app is asking for. These permissions allow Salesforce and Slack to talk to each other. For example, posting messages, reading channel information, or sharing record previews. Take a moment to scan through them if you like. Next, you'll see an authorization screen with an Allow button. This is Slack asking you to confirm the installation for your workspace. Click Allow to continue. If you don't see this option, you may need an admin to install the app for your workspace, so keep that in mind. After you allow the app in Slack, you'll be redirected to Salesforce to complete the connection. On this page, you should see an option that says something like, Connect your Slack workspace to your Salesforce org. Click on that. This step links the specific Slack workspace you're in with your Salesforce organization so they can securely share data. Once that's done, your Slack workspace and Salesforce org are connected, and you're ready to start using Salesforce features directly from Slack.